Why friends and family are important. Introduction. Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about friends and family, the people who make our lives happier and more meaningful. Whether it's sharing laughs, helping each other, or just spending time together, these relationships are very important. Friendship. The joy of good friends. Good friends are like sunshine on a cloudy day. They listen when we're sad, celebrate our successes, and make everyday moments fun. For example, imagine you move to a new city. At first it's scary, but then you meet a kind classmate who invites you to lunch. Soon, you're laughing together and exploring the city. That's how friendship begins, with small acts of kindness. Family, our first support system. Family is our first and strongest support. Parents, siblings, and grandparents teach us, feed us, and cheer for us. Even when we argue, like all brothers and sisters do, family stays by our side. For instance, think about Sunday dinners. Everyone shares food and stories. These traditions create love and memories that last forever. Balancing friends and family. Sometimes friends feel like family too. The key is to spend quality time with both. Call your grandparents once a week. Go out with friends for coffee or sports. Remember, it's not about having many people around you. It's about having people who truly care. Conclusion. So, take a moment today to say thank you to your friends or family. Send a message, give a hug, or just smile. These small actions keep relationships strong. After all, life is better when we share it with others.